cái ứ yo mu ta la á mu ta la á bỏ coi heo á làm nhiều món không hay là bé boy ứ mua chưa buy water we run out water okay okay your tao chạy cái cho lúa lủng mong nè we need translate your talk or your language to be Hmong.
I need to change my voice.
Change your voice?
Yeah, I need to change my voice.
Why you wanna change your voice?
I don't want to be man anymore. What? Oh my God, just be gone.
Why you wanna change your voice?
I want to want to be man.
Oh, you wanna be girl?
No!
Nah, you say you wanna change your voice.
I'm not changing my voice.
You don't wanna change your voice.
I'm not to change my voice.
So you go buy water? Yes? So,
What about chips?
buy chip too? Okay,
And the water.
buy water. Don't buy too much chip because I don't want you to eat too much chip.
Only two.
Only two? Oh, yo. I don't have a good camera today. It's okay.
My phone.
You like my phone?
It's flowery.
Flowery? Okay, tell me. You like my phone? Tell me why you like my phone.
I like it.
Because have flower?
Flower scheme and Janice.
Match for Janice?
Janice have flower scheme and you have flower scheming.
Okay.
No!
So got your brother sister mua tới ta hả?
School!
They go school?
Uh-huh.
About you?
Not me.
Cái nhóc trẻ đó?
Yes. I can't stay by myself.
You stay by yourself?
No.
Oh. Go shopping now, okay? Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Một ta la rồi.